In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone and export flows in Zoho Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing automation in your account and what your options are if you need to move that logic to another account. Let's start with cloning a flow inside the same Zoho Flow account. This is perfect when you want to reuse an automation without rebuilding it from scratch. From your Zoho Flow dashboard, head to My Flows and locate the flow you want to copy. Click to select it, or simply hover over it and look for the Copy or Duplicate button in the top toolbar. When prompted, give the new flow a clear, descriptive name so you can tell it apart from the original later. Confirm, and Zoho Flow will instantly create an identical copy. The duplicate is a separate flow, so you're free to edit, adjust, or experiment without affecting the original. Many teams use this approach to test changes safely or to create a series of similar automations that share the same structure. Keep in mind, duplicating is limited to the same Zoho Flow account and does not produce a downloadable file. It's an internal copy, not an export. Now let's talk about exporting and importing flows between different accounts. As of the latest updates and community discussions, Zoho Flow does not provide a native export file format like JSON or XML, and there's no built-in import feature to bring a downloaded flow into another account. In other words, there isn't an export or import button that moves a flow across organizations. Community posts confirm that users have requested this capability, but it isn't officially supported yet. If you need to reuse a flow in another account today, the most practical path is to recreate it manually. Open the original in one account and rebuild the trigger, actions, and logic in the other account, matching each setting and condition. It's straightforward and reliable once you follow the original structure carefully. To make that process easier, document your flow before you begin. Capture screenshots of the trigger, actions, mappings, and any conditions, or write concise notes that outline each step and field. Good documentation reduces missed details and speeds up the rebuild. Consistent naming conventions for flows and steps can also make maintenance easier across accounts and teams. That's the current state. Clone within the same account and recreate with documentation for other accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage and reuse your Zoho flows more efficiently.